Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will show you how to use the Mail Anywhere optional module, which allows you to link your email account and allow you to save emails onto client or case profiles. It is important to note that in order to use this feature, you must be signed up to the Mail Anywhere optional module. Let us log into the caseworker portal. The first thing we want to do is link our email to our user preferences. From the home page, let us click on the settings icon on the top right and proceed to click on User Preferences. Once inside your user preferences, click on Email Accounts tab to the right. From here, you will click on Add Email Account. We have default settings already implemented for you, such as a Yahoo account, a Gmail account, a Hotmail Outlook account, or you can have the ability to enter your own name, server type, and enter other information to connect your email. If you're using an account like Gmail, the server type and settings will already be listed for you. From here, you can enter your email and enter a password, and you will click on Test. Please note that the password you will insert for Google is not your typical password you use to log in, rather an app password that you can get from Google. This can be done in the settings of your Google account. If you attempt to put your regular password and click Test, you will get a bad request attempting to connect your Gmail. Do not be discouraged by this warning. On that same warning is a link with the URL. If copy and paste it to a new browser, it will take you to a Google thread on how to set up an app password. You will follow the instructions on how to create an app password. This app password is what you will use rather than your typical Gmail password. Once you create the app password through Google and plug it in, you will get an alert that will let you know that your email tested OK, and you can click on Save. You can now go into the client or case profile. Go to the Documents section, go to Upload a Document, and on the File Location drop-down menu, you will see Gmail as an option. If selected, it will take you into your Gmail account. You will see your folders on the left where you can locate an email, select it, include any attachments, and save it onto the client profile. If wanting to link your Microsoft Exchange Online email, it works different to connect your email. You don't need to go into your user preferences, but rather you will go directly to the file location. You will see the Microsoft Exchange Online option. When selected, it will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account, and once logged in, you will be taken into your email account where you can similarly locate an email, select it, include any attachments, and save it to the client profile. Once saved, it saves it as a PDF. If you click the Select drop-down to the left, you will see a View button. If clicked, you will be able to see the contents of the email and attachments. This concludes our video on using Mail Anywhere.